Yo, welcome back to the channel. Got me and baby girl. We gonna ride over to my boy house. He bought himself a dirt bike, 2-stroke. He don't really know how to start it, so told him I'd come over, help him get it running, and see if he gonna hurt himself or not. Cr250. So we're gonna get over here and help him try to get this thing running, see what we got going on. Okay. We're in the GTR today, so see you when we get there. I made it to my boy house. See what the heck this dude got over here, man. We got a little stand and everything. Little 250 joint, huh? Compression good. So you try to kick it and it don't start? Try to kick it and it don't start. All right, let me get my boots out of the car and see what's going on. So I got the plug out of this thing. Definitely could be better, but it do got spark, so I'm gonna get this joint back in here and see what we got. So this is not. That's supposed to be mounted to the frame, and up there, I mean, I really wouldn't ride it like that, but at least we can get it started and see. Nigga, it's out of gas. You ain't gonna start like that. Lord. Fucking dragging foot tag over here got me suspect.
Hours later.
Shoo, after kicking and sweating, I don't know if you can see, but right there, it's bubbling. I don't know, I guess they just did probably top in on it. I don't know if them bolts ain't tight or what. But even the plug, you see the oil on the plug. It looks like it's kind of leaking right here too. Let me see.
It's recording.
Let's see. This and daggone.
Close the door.
Just in here. Well, it runs. Need a little TLC, but it runs. Like to maybe get it in the dirt and really see what it do, but just need a little love here and there. At least he don't feel like he wasted his money, cause it do run now. So 250 05 joint. Gonna take it apart and clean it up. Other than that, I need a tire. Put a tire on there. Need a roller. Front tire is decent. This. And I'm gonna foot peg. What? It does run. So we good to go. I know he don't want to see that 500 though.
What? Who?
Well, I don't know how it ended up here, but now I done took the whole daggone thing apart. He want to get it all cleaned up and gone through, so I seen a couple things that was wrong. So we just gonna take it all apart, clean it all up real good, go over everything, so that way he knows it's all fresh. I did not do this motor, so I still don't know without digging into that. So you're leaking water through here. All of these bolts you can see, they're wet. So I'm not gonna pull the motor off the frame today, but he's gonna start pressure washing stuff. We're gonna get it all cleaned up and then maybe go through the motor, but I don't know right now. You just want to pressure wash it all, get it all clean. Got all the parts here, you know, plastics and everything. He ordered a bolt kit, ordered a couple parts that we really can see. That roller. Just gonna clean the air filter, pressure wash all of this dirt and mud off of this thing, clean it up real good, and then we'll get it back together. Well, I guess that's gonna do it for the day. Once he get all the parts back in, we get back over here and get this thing all put back together. So as always, man, like, comment, and subscribe. Just gonna try to continue to bring you a little bit more stuff